Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to use the Meta AI app from installation to exploring its main features. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Google Play Store if you're on Android or the App Store if you're using an iPhone. Search for Meta AI and tap install. Once it's done, go ahead and open the app. Now, to start using Meta AI, you'll need to log in with your existing Meta account. That's your Facebook or Instagram credentials. If you already use any Meta service, you're good to go. Just tap Get Started with Meta AI and choose your account. Once selected, confirm your login details and tap Save. If prompted, allow access to connect your account. After logging in, you'll land on the Home tab. This is where you chat directly with Meta AI. You can ask it questions, generate text, or even create images. So, for example, try typing something like, create an image of a rabbit holding a carrot. Once it's done, you can share the image or save it for later. Next, tap the Discover tab. Yeah, the little compass icon at the bottom. Here, you'll find what other users are creating with Meta AI. Trending prompts, visuals, and fun ideas. It's a great way to see what's possible and, get inspired. Now, if you want to revisit something you've made, tap the history icon. You'll see your recent chats and creations. Everything saved neatly in one place. And over in notifications, Meta AI keeps you updated, whether it's new features or activity on your account. You can also link Meta devices like smart glasses or headsets by tapping the plus icon with the eye symbol. From there, follow the steps to connect your device. If you head to your profile at the top right, you'll find more settings, interface preferences, notifications, privacy, and even legal and safety options. And that's it. You now know how to use the Meta AI app. It's simple, flexible, and fun to explore. Try experimenting with prompts and see what you can create. Thanks for watching. And, don't forget to like and follow for more quick tutorials.